Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will explore a comprehensive conversation about healthy lifestyle and fitness, including topics such as exercise routines, nutrition, hydration, sleep, mental health, and motivation. This lesson will help you learn practical vocabulary, practice speaking English, and understand real-life discussions about maintaining health and wellness. To stay updated with our latest lessons, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends who are learning English, and leave a comment to share your thoughts. Now, let's get started and learn how to talk confidently about fitness and healthy living in English.
Hi David, I've been trying to improve my fitness lately. Do you follow a healthy lifestyle?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I try to eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep every day.
That's great. What kind of exercise do you usually do?
I usually do a mix of cardio, like running or cycling, and strength training at the gym.
I see. I mostly go for morning walks, but I want to try something more intense.
Morning walks are good, but adding some weight training can really improve your strength and endurance.
Do you follow a specific diet plan as well?
I try to eat balanced meals with plenty of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains.
That sounds healthy. I sometimes struggle to avoid sugary snacks.
It's normal, but gradually reducing sugar and replacing it with healthier alternatives can help.
How do you stay motivated to exercise regularly?
I set small goals, track my progress, and sometimes work out with friends to stay motivated.
That's a good idea. I feel more motivated when I exercise with a partner.
Yes, having someone to share your progress with makes it more fun and consistent.
How often do you go to the gym?
I usually go 4 to 5 times a week, alternating between cardio and strength exercises.
Do you prefer morning workouts or evening workouts?
I prefer mornings because it energizes me for the whole day and keeps me consistent.
I sometimes feel too tired in the mornings to exercise. How do you manage that?
I gradually adjusted my sleep schedule, and having a fixed routine helps a lot.
Speaking of sleep, how many hours do you usually sleep at night?
I aim for 7 to 8 hours because proper rest is important for recovery and overall health.
I usually sleep 6 hours, but I feel tired during the day.
That's probably why consistent sleep helps improve energy, focus, and metabolism.
Do you take any supplements or vitamins?
Sometimes I take vitamin D and protein powder, but I prefer getting most nutrients from food.
That makes sense. I read that natural sources are better than supplements when possible.
Exactly. A balanced diet should cover most of your nutritional needs.
How important is hydration for a healthy lifestyle?
Very important. Drinking enough water helps with energy, digestion, and even skin health.
I often forget to drink water during the day. Any tips?
Carry a reusable water bottle and set reminders on your phone to drink regularly.
How about snacks? Do you eat between meals?
I eat healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, or yogurt to maintain energy and avoid overeating later.
I like snacking, but I usually choose chocolate or chip.
It's okay occasionally, but healthier alternatives will support your fitness goals better.
Do you track your calories or just eat intuitively?
I mostly eat intuitively, focusing on portion control and balanced meals rather than strict calorie counting.
That sounds easier than constantly tracking every meal.
Yes, it's less stressful and more sustainable in the long term.
How do you plan your meals?
I prepare a weekly meal plan with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, which helps me stay organized.
That's a great idea. I should try meal planning too.
It saves time, reduces impulsive eating, and ensures you get the right nutrients.
Do you ever eat out or order takeout?
Occasionally, but I try to make healthier choices like salads, grilled dishes, and avoiding fried foods.
That's smart. Eating out is tempting, but it can add unnecessary calories.
Exactly, moderation is key. Enjoying treats occasionally is fine, but balance is important.
How do you stay motivated when progress seems slow?
I remind myself that consistency matters more than quick results, and I track small achievements.
That's true. Sometimes I feel discouraged if I don't see immediate changes.
Patience is important. Your body adapts gradually, and long-term habits bring lasting results.
How important is stretching before and after exercise?
Very important. Stretching prevents injuries, improves flexibility, and helps with recovery.
I often skip stretching. Should I start doing it regularly?
Yes, even 5 to 10 minutes before and after workouts makes a big difference.
Do you include any mindfulness or mental exercises in your routine?
Yes, I practice meditation or deep breathing for stress relief and mental clarity.
That sounds helpful. I get stressed sometimes, and exercise alone doesn't always help.
Mindfulness and relaxation techniques complement physical exercise for overall well-being.
How about outdoor activities like hiking or cycling?
I love them. Being in nature is refreshing and adds variety to regular workouts.
I enjoy walking in the park, but I want to try more challenging outdoor activities.
Hiking, rock climbing, or trail running are great ways to challenge yourself physically and mentally.
Do you have a favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy cycling because it's fun, low impact, and improves cardiovascular health.
I love swimming. It feels refreshing and works all muscles.
Swimming is excellent for endurance, flexibility, and joint health.
How often should someone exercise per week?
Generally, at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week is recommended.
That's good to know. Can daily short workouts be as effective as longer sessions?
Yes, even 20 to 30 minutes daily is effective if you are consistent and maintain intensity.
How about strength training? How often should we do it?
2 to 3 times a week is usually enough, focusing on all major muscle groups.
Do you think cardio is more important than strength training?
Both are important. Cardio improves heart health, while strength training builds muscles and supports metabolism.
I find cardio tiring sometimes. Any tips to make it enjoyable?
Try activities you enjoy, like dancing, swimming, or cycling, and vary routines to stay motivated.
How about recovery days? Should we exercise every day?
Rest days are essential for muscle recovery and to prevent fatigue or injuries.
Do you use any fitness apps or trackers?
Yes, I track workouts, steps, and sleep patterns, which helps me stay accountable.
I want to try using an app, but there are so many options.
Start with a simple one that tracks your main goals, like steps or workout minutes, and expand later.
How important is posture during exercise?
Very important. Correct posture prevents injuries and ensures exercises are effective.
I sometimes feel pain in my back during workouts. Could that be bad posture?
Most likely, you should adjust form, use lighter weights, and consult a trainer if needed.
How about warming up before exercise?
Warming up increases blood flow, prepares muscles, and reduces the risk of injuries.
I usually skip warming up. Should I start?
Yes, even 5 minutes of light cardio or dynamic stretches can make a difference.
How important is diet after workouts?
Very important. Protein helps muscle recovery, and carbs replenish energy stores.
What kind of snacks or meals do you eat post-workout?
I usually have a smoothie with fruits and protein powder or eggs with whole grain toast.
Do you ever follow intermittent fasting or other diet trends?
Occasionally, but I prefer balanced meals and listening to my body rather than strict fad diets.
How about sugar and processed food? Should we avoid them completely?
Moderation is key. Occasional treats are fine, but limiting processed foods improves health.
How important is consistency in a healthy lifestyle?
Consistency is more important than intensity. Small daily habits lead to long-term results.
How about mental health and stress? Can it affect fitness?
Absolutely, high stress can affect sleep, appetite, and motivation, impacting overall health.
Do you practice any relaxation techniques regularly?
Yes, meditation, deep breathing, and journaling help me manage stress effectively.
How about outdoor exposure to sunlight?
Sunlight is important for vitamin D, mood, and energy, but protect your skin with sunscreen.
Do you include any flexibility exercises?
Yes, yoga and stretching improve flexibility, reduce injuries, and enhance relaxation.
I sometimes feel sore after workouts. Is that normal?
I sometimes feel sore after workouts. Is that normal?
How do you handle cravings for unhealthy food?
I distract myself with activity, eat a healthy alternative, or allow small treats occasionally.
How important is breakfast in a healthy lifestyle?
Breakfast fuels your day, improves concentration, and reduces unhealthy snacking later.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out?
Cooking at home is healthier and allows control over ingredients and portions.
How about meal timing? Is it important?
Yes, regular meals help maintain energy levels, support metabolism, and prevent overeating.
Do you drink coffee or tea? Is it okay?
Moderate amounts are fine, but too much caffeine can affect sleep and hydration.
How about alcohol? Can it fit into a healthy lifestyle?
In moderation, yes, but excessive drinking can harm health and slow fitness progress.
Do you track your weight or body measurements?
Occasionally, but I focus more on strength, energy, and overall well-being than just numbers.
How about goals? Should they be short-term or long-term?
Both short-term goals motivate, while long-term goals give direction and purpose.
How do you measure progress besides weight?
Energy levels, endurance, strength, flexibility, and how clothes fit are great indicators.
How important is social support for a healthy lifestyle?
Very important. Friends or family can motivate, provide accountability, and share activities.
Do you exercise alone or with a group?
I do both. Group classes are fun, while solo workouts help focus on personal goals.
How about challenges in maintaining routine while traveling?
It's tricky, but I pack workout clothes, use hotel gyms, or go for runs outdoors.
How important is variety in exercise?
Very changing routines prevents boredom, challenges different muscles, and improves results.
Do you include core exercises in your workouts?
Yes, strong core muscles improve posture, balance, and reduce injury risks.
How about tracking sleep quality?
I use a tracker sometimes. Good sleep enhances recovery, focus, and performance.
Do you exercise even when you feel tired?
Light exercise is fine on tired days, but I listen to my body to prevent overtraining.
How about exercise for mental clarity?
Cardio, yoga, or walks outdoors help clear the mind and reduce stress.
Do you think motivation is more important than discipline?
Discipline is key. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you consistent.
How about rewarding yourself after achieving goals?
It's effective. Small rewards reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated.
How often do you reassess your fitness goals?
Every few months, adjusting based on progress, lifestyle changes, and new interests.
Do you follow any fitness influencers or online programs?
Sometimes, for inspiration and new ideas, but I customize programs to suit my needs.
How important is tracking water intake?
Very important. Hydration affects energy, digestion, and even weight management.
Do you include high-intensity workouts in your routine?
Occasionally, like interval training, for cardiovascular and fat-burning benefits.
How about joint health?
I include low-impact exercises like swimming or cycling to protect joints while staying active.
Do you exercise differently in winter or summer?
Slightly, I adjust clothing, intensity, and sometimes shift to indoor workouts in cold weather.
How about stress eating?
I manage it by keeping healthy snacks available and practicing mindfulness.
Do you ever follow online workout videos?
Yes, they're convenient and provide variety when I can't go to the gym.
How about using music during exercise?
Music motivates, keeps pace, and makes workouts more enjoyable.
Do you track your heart rate during exercise?
Sometimes, it helps monitor intensity and improve cardiovascular fitness.
How do you prevent boredom in your fitness routine?
How do you prevent boredom in your fitness routine?
Do you set long-term health goals?
Yes, like maintaining energy, staying strong, and preventing lifestyle-related diseases.
How about mental benefits of exercise?
Exercise improves mood, reduces anxiety, and increases overall cognitive function.
Do you meditate before or after exercise?
Usually after, to relax and reflect on the workout.
How important is consistency compared to intensity?
Consistency is more important. Long-term habits lead to lasting results.
How about eating habits during holidays or travel?
Moderation is key. Enjoy local foods, but maintain balance and exercise when possible.
How do you deal with injuries?
Rest, ice, and professional advice if necessary, then gradually return to exercise.
How about keeping track of progress in the gym?
I record workouts, sets, reps, and weights, which helps monitor improvement.
Do you include breathing exercises?
Yes, deep breathing improves oxygen flow, reduces stress, and supports endurance.
How important is mental preparation before exercise?
Very. Focusing on your goals and mindset improves performance and motivation.
Do you exercise differently when training for a specific goal?
Yes, I adjust intensity, duration, and type of exercises to match my objectives.
How about social media and fitness?
It's inspiring, but should be balanced. Comparing yourself too much can be discouraging.
Do you practice meal prepping?
Yes, preparing meals in advance saves time, ensures healthy options, and reduces stress.
How important is enjoying the process?
Very important. When you enjoy exercise and healthy eating, it becomes sustainable.
Thank you, David. I feel motivated and more confident to improve my lifestyle now.
You're welcome, Emma. Remember, consistency, balance, and patience are the keys to long-term success.